In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Monday.com to Power BI 5 minutes. By the end, you'll have the official Power BI connector installed in your Monday.com account so you can securely bring your boards and dashboards into Power BI for reporting. Before we start, make sure you're signed into the correct Monday.com account and that you have permission to install apps. If you're not an admin, you may need a quick approval from your workspace admin. First, sign into Monday.com and land on the workspace that contains the boards you want to analyze. It's a good idea to confirm you can see the boards you plan to report on because the connector's access is scoped by the workspace you choose during installation. Next, open the Monday.com marketplace. You'll find it in the main navigation. If the marketplace isn't visible, it's usually a permissions issue, so check with your admin. Inside the marketplace, use the search bar and type Power BI. You'll see a few results, but we're looking for the listing named Power BI Connector by Tempo. This is the dedicated integration that lets Monday.com share data with Power BI in a manageable, secure way. Open that listing and review the overview to understand what data types it supports, how permissions are handled, and any limits that may apply to your plan. When you're ready, click Install App. A prompt will ask you to grant the connector permission to read data from specific locations. This is where you choose the Monday.com workspace or dashboard you want to sync. Pick the workspace that contains the boards you actually need in Power BI. If you're unsure, start with a test workspace and expand later. Granting only what you need is a good practice for data governance. After selecting the workspace, confirm by clicking Install. You might see a brief loading state while the app is added to your account. When the install completes, click Add App. This places the connector in your apps area so you can access its configuration screen whenever you need. From there, the app will guide you through creating connections and defining what data to expose to Power BI. That's it. You logged in, opened the marketplace, searched for Power BI, selected the Power BI connector by Tempo, installed it, chose your workspace, confirmed, and added the app. From here, follow the connector's prompts to generate a connection and bring your Monday.com data into Power BI. For best results, start with a smaller board, verify the columns and data types, and then scale up.